Now dear friends, I remove everything. Now I check A to Z. Now I have to replace this element. This plate I have to replace because it is already burned. Also these two switches, the selector switch, this both are we have to replace because this both not supplying power to here these two plates. Because of that I'm going to replace this two and this element I have to check change. Now we will replace and we will check this one. Now I'm going to replace and we will check it is whether working or not. Now here two screws we have to remove. Also here one, it is already fixed with the earthing wire. Now I already release. Now I'm going to give connections here. This one neutral here, two pairs are here. Now I have to remove very careful here these two connections. This one we have to fix here, no problem. This one two pairs. Now this one here down, we can fix here common wire. Yeah, it's okay. After that, now dear friends, now I already fixed this is a new one. Also this one also working. The problem, now I found the problem with the selector switch, it is internally it's broken because continuity not showing while turning time is not coming to the medium one. Also here medium one. Now I will remove the selector switch and I will show you. Now I'm going to release all the harness here because I have to open this one. Now I already removed the selector switch. Now I'm going to open this one. We can open here, slide that. You can see here it is very easy to remove. Now internally I have to check because it's not selecting. While you are removing time, you have to, here one springs will come, small one here. This one will get lost, because of that you have to keep properly. And after that I can remove this one here. Yes my dear friends, you can see here this one internally broken because of that. It's not coming to the medium one because it should come to here. This one already broken internally, this rotor, that's why it's not selecting. Now we have to change. You can see here this part, this one already broken. Now we have to repair this switch, otherwise we have to replace that one. And I will try to do something, otherwise I have to find the same switch. Now I will show you. This one while turning time, you can see here. This part is not touching, that's why this connector not supplying power, supplying to the element, because of that is not actually working. Now you can see here, this one I have to do some modification. Now this one not touching with this contactor. This contactor already touch, because of that no issue, but other one I have to repair. This one already internally broken, the plastic one, but this one not getting damaged very hard, this one. Because of that I can do something here. Now you can see here, this one I can little bit here forward, I have to take it. After that it will catch, it's like that. Now you can see here. Now you can see here, dear friends, while I'm turning, both this point and this point already catching. That means it should come to the power supply. Now we will fix and we will check. Now I have to fix as same before. It should come this way. Now it should come like that. You can see here. Yeah, it will come. Now I have to fix this one here like that. This one come. Now you can see here. Now this spring you have to fix, otherwise it's not working properly. Now it's okay. Now we have to little bit lock here. Now we can check also before giving connection. Now is contactor, it should come here, this one. Now you can see here, it's already showing connector, contact. Now you can see, dear friends. Yes. You can see here now, it is okay. Now we will give the power connection and we will check. Now I already given power connection. Now we will check. Now you can see, dear friends, it's working together. Before it's not working because this selector switch have a problem. Now I have to resolve this issue. After that my job already completed. I have to reinstall A to Z this oven and griller. This selector switch also I already replaced now. Now I have to resolve this issue only. After that my job will be complete. Now I have to resolve this one. That's mean problem with the selector switch. That one also I will repair. After that my job will be complete. Now, dear friends, now I already repair. Actually I didn't replace the switch, I repaired. Now already you can see here, this one together working. Both selector switches are working now. Element also working properly, no any issue. Now I can refix as same before. Now it is okay. Now I have to fix everything, oven, griller, everything okay. After that my job will be complete. Now I have to refix the machine and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, I already fixed cooker. It is finished my job already. You can see here. Now I can check one by one. Just before, for a while ago I checked, because of that still showing hot. You can see here. Now I will start the from the right side, small one. You can see here now. This one. It is working, no issue. Also I will off it and I will open other one, which is we replace new burner. You can see here it is working fine, no any problem. I will increase the temperature a little bit. Now you can see it's working properly. That element already I replaced new one. Also I will switch off. Also middle one also I will on now. You can see here it's working fine, no issue. But ceramic glass actually it's little bit dirt, but I'm not able to remove. I tried but I couldn't do that. Now other one also. You can see. Now I am keeping all together. Now I will show you here. I have to select here. Now I select here top griller with the fan. You can see here fan is working properly, both fans are working, the light also working. Here is heating, no issue. My job already completed, my dear friends. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.